What's up guys at Limitless Cars? It's a few days after delivery of the NSX and we received a package from Acura. I haven't actually opened it yet. It's actually sitting in the back of the car and it's a nice NSX box, right? Apparently it's a gift from NSX. I have no idea what it is, so you ready to get this open, Trevor?
I'm ready.
Alright, so we're gonna open this. Ooh! So we got a NSX owner's book? 573 horsepower, right? System power, horsepower from the engine.
It's like a spec book almost. The heritage.
Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and open this even more. Precisionally crafted for you. I have no idea what this is. Eagles pin. Oh, pin company. Ooh, look at that. Materials used to create your NSX. Okay, so basically it's a pin made from the materials used to create our NSX.
Dang.
Okay. Eagle Pin Company. You ready?
Yep.
Holy crap. So we have a non-driver fill roller and a carbon fiber NSX pin with the actual matching serial number of the car. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. So, I had no idea what this is. Trevor had no idea what this is. This is pretty sick, Acura, not gonna lie. Carbon fiber pin with a matching serial number. So that is what you get when you buy a $200,000 NSX from Acura, brand new.
It's casual airplane.
That sounds clean, doesn't it?
It's so clean.
That's fun. I'm not filming. What a guy! You don't want them to know my order from Starbucks? God.
Maybe.
Wow.
Starbucks. Gotta keep your order secret.
Right? I'm outside if you want to come hang with us for a second.
Where are you at?
I'm right outside.
Alright, I got there.
Alright, bud.
Think you can put the dogs away so I can come out?
Huh?
Put the dogs away so I can come out?
Yeah, that's why Rudy's coming out, so they can put him up. Dude, this looks so cool with the windows up. You gotta see it.
Yeah, I need to see it. But no, I'm just stuck in here because we got some monster dogs. Aw, cute little pupper. Dang, bro, found a baller car. Hey, low riding.
S53. Don't worry, you'll get a full-size one like me one day. Don't worry, I got you one day. You're gonna get your full-size, right?
Yeah.
Can we get you one, Trevor? A little Focus RS, a little right about.
Oh. This guy thinking he's funny.
I think I'm pretty funny. I'm pretty funny, right, Rudy?
Yeah.
Rudy, you missed the shot on camera. You caught that?
Yep.
We got you on camera. You missed the shot.
I've been making like 8 straight.
You gotta make one. Make one right now for the camera. Ah! Oh! No.
I'll make it with mine.
Pressure got to him.
We'll edit that out.
Pressure doesn't get to me.
Yeah. First try. Here we go. First try.
First try. Oh!
I do it again. Looking at y'all.
Ah. It's in. We just added the other one over that in a sense.
Yes.
Hey, look how cute it is. Dude, that's freaking cool. What is that? Look how tiny it is.
He's so tiny.
Dude, that's legit.
That is so cool.
That is awesome.